Hi, I'm Alan Keegan from Tiger Trading, and today we're going to go through how to use one of the features of our platform. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about just the basics of how to create a new workspace, how to move things around, and how to pop things off into different screens. You'll see down here at the bottom I have various different workspaces I've set up to do various different things. And if I want to create a new one, all I need to do is click here on this plus. It'll create a new workspace. It'll offer me a bunch of different layouts. There are basic and advanced layouts. For the purposes of showing how things move, I'm just going to take an empty one, and then I can create all the widgets that I need. Now, first thing is I'm going to name this something. So let's say we call this quotes and charts. And then I want to go here and add widgets. When you click on one and there's nothing else in there, it'll automatically fill the whole space. The next time you go to add a second widget, it'll pop up in this little box. You click on it and you can drag it. Depending on where you lay it, it'll either do this. If you're near the center of a particular widget, it'll become a tab on the same widget. If you go over to one side, it'll automatically resize them so it can populate on the right or the left. If you go above or below, it'll do the same thing for splitting top to bottom. Now, as you add more widgets, it'll intelligently intuit what you're trying to do with the placement. So if I want to do now quotes, and I put my quotes over here down to the bottom right, and then I want to do a second set of quotes, or let's say a news up here on the top right, you see how quickly this will automatically repopulate into what I'm trying to do. While at the same time, as I said before, if I wanted to have these all be the same size, I want to be able to easily flip between the quotes and say my wallet. I can take my wallet, populate it right on top of these quotes, and now I'll have a tab of wallets on the same widget that the quotes are on, without having to resize. If you don't want things to be evenly split all the time, maybe you want more space for the chart because the news is wasting a lot of space, you can put this here. You can take this, resize it so you have less space for the quotes, although the quotes have a lot of numbers on them, so that might not be the right move. And then at any point, let's say you are using multiple screens, or you want to have something over in the corner of your screen while you're doing other things. For all these widgets, you can hit this button right here. What that'll do is it'll pop it out to a separate window. In that window, you're going to be in the same session as you are inside of the platform. So now, this is hard to demonstrate with only one screen behind me. When I press this, give it a moment, this is now open in a separate window. So I can be taking this and pull it over and open the workspace on a totally different screen and make a separate workspace. So maybe I want to have one cross on one screen, another cross on another screen, and then let's say quotes and a broad market overview on yet another screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions left, let us know. We'll make more videos to explain anything, and make sure to sign up for our free beta at tigertrading.com.